This is Wuxi Beiyi Excavator Parts Factory. Have a team of highly skilled, experienced team, equipped with advanced production equipment and technology, can meet various customization needs of customers based on customers' needs. Provide customized solutions, design from drawings to manufacturing. Precise every detail. We meet every unique need of our customers. Provide them with quality customized products, no matter what kind of customization needs you have. Beiyi provides you with professional, efficient customized services. Feel free to contact us anytime.